Hello everyone, welcome to my travel guide. Today I am one of the most incredible places in Bogota, the Virgilio Barco Library. It's not just a place for books, it's an architectural masterpiece and a center for culture. First, let's learn a little bit about its history. The library was inaugurated in 2001 and was named in honor of former Colombian President Virgilio Barco. The incredible design, which looks like a spiral or a giant flying saucer, was created by the renowned Colombian architect Rogelio Salmona. In fact, Salmona is famous for using exposed brick and water features, and you can easily notice a lot of that here. The circular design is very important because it represents unity and connections with surrounding park, something every visitor should appreciate. So, what can you do here? There's a lot. Obviously, you can read books, study, or use free Wi-Fi and computers. But besides that, the library offers many cultural activities like workshops, concerts, and art exhibitions, which are usually free. You should definitely visit for architecture itself and the beautiful surrounding park. You might want to relax by the water mirrors, walk on the green roofs, and enjoy beautiful sunsets. It's a perfect stop where you can escape the city noise, even though it's located in the middle of the city. Now let's summarize some practical advices for tourists. Visiting the library and accessing all its service is completely free of charge. Therefore, it could be a great option for travelers on a budget. The area around the library is generally safe during the day, but like any big city, you should always be careful with your belongings, especially when it gets late. I did recommend visit between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Another tip, you should bring your camera. The reflection pools and the unique building will give you fantastic photo opportunities. Finally, to get here, you can take a taxi or just walk. So there you have it. The Virgilio Barco Library is a fantastic place where you can experience culture, great architecture, and beautiful green spaces in Bogota. You shouldn't just stay in the historical center. You should come and explore this modern gem. Thank you for watching.